Today we're gonna take out the old GS's. So today is story day. My uncle, my dad's brother, is here. We're gonna do a ride because he wants to learn how to film a bit because he's going on a trip. And so he came to the Price Rider motovlogging school and he asked me, can I borrow your GoPro and can you teach me how to like film a bit on the motorcycle? So that's what we're gonna practice today. And the fun thing is, a while ago we went on a trip to the Alps in France, and that's what introduced me to the whole motorcycle traveling thing. So yeah, this is a bit nostalgic because back in the day it was also two GS's. My dad's got the same GS as back then, and my uncle has got the next model. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun ride to actually ride myself now, because last time I think I was like 14 years old, 15 years old. I was at the back as a passenger. So yeah, we're gonna go to the Netherlands, to Zierikzee. It's like a mini Amsterdam, fun location. So let's make the most of this day. It's another beautiful day, which is great. This is the first ride we're gonna do with the GS and the CB500X. Fun, isn't it?
Great fun.
Great fun. Is it the first time you've ridden it again after you picked it up?
No, I've been riding it a few times.
Okay. So this is like getting the band back together.
Taking a break. I see my light is still on. Not good.
This road is where years ago, when I was riding the 125cc's, I got stung by a wasp right next to my eye, and we stopped here. Always funny if you riding somewhere and you just got stories everywhere because you've been on these roads lots of times. Stay in your lane.
Stay in your lane. Amateurs.
Second stop.
And again, my light is on. Not good.
We're here at the, how's it called? Kremmetoren? The Kremmetoren, in this windmill park that we have filmed like 100 times. So yeah, let's go up.
One guy came prepared, and believe it or not, it's the actual ride rider. He even got his music with. That man is unbelievable. That's very handy for the edit. No more music is required. It's already there. Great.
You see my dad sitting in his chair? That's my chair. Respecting the elderly is what I would call it.
How to not park your bike.
Okay, it's like it's nothing.
Everybody's undressing here. I just keep my clothes on.
Ja, wat eigenlijk al de reden voor gehad. Ik moet echt constant met zijn iPhone bezig. Die moet echt wel.
Okay, so we've had our little snack, our break. It's been a lovely day, but it has come to an end now. We're gonna part ways. At least my uncle's gonna part ways with us because he's so tired of us with all our talking and all our filming, and he was like, no, never again. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this ride, and now let's go home.
Yes.